An event is an Excel school solution. By definition, it is an in-depth investigation of real-world issues and topics. It consists of a set of interrelated activities that motivates learners and leads them to produce high-quality work. Events allow students to delve into content in a more direct and meaningful manner, and it integrates subjects across the curriculum. It fosters critical thinking, and as it provides opportunities to students to explore complex issues. We take anywhere between 30 to 40 students for a particular event, and then they are divided into smaller groups, and every group is given materials to work with. So it's not that the facilitator demonstrates and children have to passively listen. Every group has their own set of materials and they can work with it. Largely the age group that we cover is from grade 3 to grade 10, but we've also designed the events for younger grades, for grades 1 and 2 as well. It depends on the requests that we get from schools. If there are schools that ask for events for the younger grades, that's grades 1 and 2, we have designed events for them. There are different ways that we implement these events. One is the list of events is shared with the school, and the school can choose what they would like us to implement. Once they choose the list of events, subject matter experts travel to that school with all the materials that are required to implement the events, and then interact with the students and actually implement it. Another way in which we implement these events is that on Saturdays we have these events in our own center, and students from our school as well as other schools are free to participate in these events. Let me explain to you about the objectives of learning events. The first objective is to help students extend their learning beyond textbooks and inspire them to obtain a deeper knowledge of the subjects that they are studying. We also look to see how we can build independent workers, critical thinkers, and lifelong learners through these learning events. The way the learning events are designed actually helps to break down invisible barriers such as isolation in the classroom, fear of embarking on an unfamiliar process, and lack of assurance of success. We try to do this by making sure that students work in teams, and therefore the fear of failure is not there. It also allows students to demonstrate their capabilities and allow students to work with their peers by building teamwork and interpersonal skills. The old school model of passively learning facts and reciting them out of context is no longer sufficient to prepare students to survive in today's world. Therefore, solving highly complex problems requires that students have both fundamental skills and digital age skills. Learning events are a set of interrelated activities, and through the learning events, children actually get a hands-on experience of learning science and mathematics, and it helps them to become critical thinkers and problem solvers. It also helps children see how what they're learning in the textbook has real-life applications. It also provides students with the latest research that's going on in different fields of science, and therefore it is very dynamic. The learning is very dynamic and not just confined to the content that is provided in the textbook. These events are actually designed by subject matter experts in the area of mathematics, physical sciences, material sciences, biological sciences, earth science, and space science. Besides the sciences, we also have a few events in history and economics, and we use 3 different approaches to design these events. One is the inquiry-based approach, the other is a problem-solving approach, and the other is a project-based approach. So, depending on the approach that we choose, we actually design the event to suit that particular approach. The learning events also help students engage in real scientific research and promote collaboration between students, teachers, and others in the community.